Hi all, Plantside Agent here. Today we're going to take a look at a brew kit I put together using the titanium alcohol burner and a 400 milliliter titanium cup. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. First off, I have playlists on the EVERNEW titanium spirit burner and also a playlist for cook kits and brew kits, and I'll put links to those in the description if you're interested in chasing those down. So to get started, I'll show you what I put together. The main reason I put this one together was that I bought a knockoff of the EVERNEW titanium burner, and I had it. I thought, oh, I should do something with it, so I thought, oh, I'll make a brew kit, because if you look at my playlist, you'll see that I make a lot of brew kits, cook kits, just because it's something I like to do. You know, man needs a hobby. So anyway, so I thought, well, I'll go ahead and make a nice compact one. So I went ahead and purchased a 400 milliliter titanium pot, and I put this together. So here's what we got. For starters, I have a little bag. Now this bag, it fits in it nicely. I got this bag, came with one of the knockoff Trangia burners with the pot stand. A lot of these come with a little bag, and I've used these bags for other things just because I didn't need them for this particular one. So anyway, so that's the bag. That was basically free, and it's light. Oh, I guess before I get to start on this, this is mostly titanium. And the weight for this kit, including the little stuff sack, is 6.9 ounces or 198 grams. So back to the kit. And the little pot came with a lid. So in here I have, that's how it's all packed in here. I have a small Bic lighter. And then I have a microfiber little cloth that I cut out. I think there's one of those pack towels. I think I bought it at Walmart. Just cut up. I use these a lot at kits because they're nice and they're lightweight, and you can cut them to whatever size you need. So that fits in there. And then this is handy for nothing else, grabbing hot handles on the pot. Just when you do it, don't let it drip. Don't let it hang down too low, close to your burner. You'll melt this. Ask me how I know that. So anyway, that's that. And then here's the stove, the knockoff stove that I bought. Actually, I bought two of them because it actually comes with a little stuff sack, which is nice. So we'll go ahead and let me finish emptying the cup out. And also inside the cup, I have a windscreen that I made out of a Foster's beer can. I've used this for a lot of my lightweight kits, lower profile one. I've used these Foster beer cans, make really good windscreens. Like I say, you fold them up, lightweight, and they just spring and fit in the cup really nicely. Punch holes in the bottom so you get some air. And just a side note, I think I'm going to do a separate video on pot windscreens, but alcohol stoves really need a windscreen. And I've gone out and tried to use them a couple times thinking the wind was calm, and just a little bit of a breeze will knock the flame away almost to the point where you can't get the water to boil, or it'll burn up all the fuel before it can get to a boil. So go ahead and make yourself a windscreen. I either make them out of old beer cans or aluminum foil, heavy duty aluminum foil you can fold up. So anyway, so inside the little stuff sack, I have a 1 ounce bottle for alcohol. That's just kind of keep the, you know, kind of a one brew option. And then, oh yeah, and then the here's the knockoff titanium stove burner. And this one actually came with a, or it didn't come with it. I ordered the snuffer independently. I think, yeah, this burner's made by TI Artisan, and you could also get the TI Artisan snuffer. And I bought them on AliExpress, and the snuffer works pretty good. Of all the snuffers, it's probably the most effective because it really covers the stove. I think I did a video on snuffers too, so you can, if you're curious to see how those work out. There are some issues with the snuffers, but I won't go into that now. Let's see. That's pretty much it. Also, I just did a video recently that with these titaniums, you can set them right on top of the burner, which is nice. So you don't need a secondary pot stand or some kind of contraption to hold the stove. It'll sit right on there. And I did a boil test with this on here, and it works. It works fine. I think it was just shy of 8 minutes to boil 12 ounces, since this is a 400 milliliter pot. So I got myself a nice compact little brew kit. So that's about all I can say. I just wanted to show it to you, and maybe give you some ideas. So anyway, that's all I can think of right now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.